Welcome back. Tonight we are gonna make some keto chicken donuts. Let me show you how. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is we are gonna chop up our pork rinds. So I'm just gonna put them in the blender and get them going. Now this is going to be our breading. Let's start making our donut mixture. I have half a cup of milk that I'm going to throw into the blender here. I have 6 chicken tenders. Throw those in. All right, and then what I'm going to do is add my spices. I have crushed red pepper. I'm going to put in. Measure with your heart. My heart's heavy. A little bit of smoked paprika. Of course, that's Amore by Shore Smoked Seasoning. And some queen bee, also made by Shore Smoked Seasoning. Put your lid on and give it a blend. What I'm gonna do next, I have some cheese that I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna throw some in, maybe about a handful or so. And then our pork rinds that we crushed up, I'm gonna put a little bit of those in also to look like that. Give it a good mix. All right, so I've lined a baking sheet here with parchment paper. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of our mixture here, kind of roll it out into a ball, stick my finger in it, and make like a donut, just like so. And then I'm gonna put it on our paper and repeat. Now when making these, you wanna consider the size of these. You wanna make them small so they'll cook all the way through. Once we're done, I'm gonna throw them in the freezer for about 30 minutes or so.
2,000 years later.
So it's been about a half hour and I pulled these out of the freezer. I have my oil heating up. So I have my almond flour with my queen bee, and that's Amore. My eggs that I scrambled, I put 4 in there. And then I have my pork rinds. Take our chicken here. I am going to coat it here in the flour. Into our egg, and then our mixture. All right, just repeat the process, guys. Let's try our keto chicken donuts. Look at the cheese melting inside of it. Oh yeah, looks delicious. Dip it in hot sauce, because why not? So good, so so good. Give it a try, guys. It's too good to be keto. See you next time.